YouTube. I know it's been a long time. I've been gone, handling a lot of business, had a lot of changes, a lot of life transitions, but I am back. I'm still doing hair, still mothering, all of that, still on my journey of being consistent and true to myself. I hope you all have been doing the same. I know everything is crazy right now. Coronavirus has stopped the world for pretty much everybody, which has caused a lot of people to tap into their creativity more, which is one good thing. But I just wanted to check in and let everybody know that this page will be active. My blog is back active. WhenDidYouFall.wordpress.com is back active. I've been posting at least once a week. I'll be putting up a post today. Sundays are usually like my post days. This channel will be back active. It is taking a different direction, so you'll see some rebranding, you'll see some things looking differently, but the channel is back active. I have a lot of things that I'm working on, and I'm very excited about it, and my goal is to just be consistent. So I've given myself a plan of just being consistent with these two projects, which my blog being one, and this channel and my business, which is connected to this channel, being the other. As you all know, Chin Naturals is my hair business. It's a natural hair business. And people who know me on a personal level know like my lifestyle goes past just taking care of natural hair, and I really try to live a very holistic lifestyle with everything that I do. So I have some more business ventures that are going to branch off from Chin Naturals and be a part of my holistic lifestyle. So I really hope that you all subscribe, share this with everybody you know. Click subscribe so you can stay up to date, because I have so much in store and I'm so excited about it. Like, so excited. Thank you for sticking to me this long. Thank you for being subscribed. All of you who are subscribed and all of the newcomers, I promise you, we are going to do this. Like, we are going to really change our lives for the better. So click follow, click subscribe, share it, like, comment, whatever you need to do so you can be up to date on what I have going on. Again, thank you.